Hello, I am Dr. Sukant Chaudhary, a professor in the Department of Sociology, Lucknow University, Lucknow, India. Today we will be discussing Claude Lévi-Strauss. Claude Lévi-Strauss, as you know, has been a great thinker, and there are many, works which he has done. Out of which, most important is the theory of social structure and structuralism, because these two are of importance for us, for the students of sociology and anthropology, where this topic would be of interest to undergraduate, postgraduate in sociology and anthropology, as well as those who are appearing in UGC NET in India, then competitive exams like provincial civil services, various state civil services, then IAS exams. All right. So Claude Lévi-Strauss has been a French anthropologist, 1908, 101 years, 2009, passed away in 2009. Most important work has been structural anthropology, obviously, structural anthropology to 1963, English translation. He was a French anthropologist, remember. He was a French anthropologist. And then another important work is Elementary Structures of Kinship, where he has been discussing on elementary structures of kinship, means kinship in simple societies. Simple society means primitive societies, pre-literate societies. Let us say somewhat tribal societies, but tribal societies are a little different. And when you say simple and complex society means where the egalitarian structure is not there, and where the society is not based on kinship, and where the society is not based on backward and simple crude technology. And the society is made up of stratification, okay, class based, caste based. That is complex society. So he has analyzed simple society structure, which is there in that book, 1949, Elementary Structures of Kinship. All right. Then coming to the main idea, he is taught across disciplines, philosophy, because he has taken a lot, he has been influenced by structural linguistics. That is very important. So he has been taught in English as well. Anthropology, English, political science, social work, sociology, and other, languages as well. So what is he trying to say? The theory of social structure. What is social structure? A society has a structure. What is a structure? The structure means there are many parts. The parts are integrated like this. The whole is society. This is the whole. The whole is society. This is kinship. This is caste. This is class. Okay, this is marriage, family, kinship, and politics, religion. Everything together, interconnected, interdependent. Interconnected, interdependent. Well, and change in one may lead to change in other. So this will be not only helpful for those people, even for the general public, to understand the society, to understand social relationships, because structure is nothing but social relationships. So to discuss Lévi-Strauss, we have to know the earlier thinker a little bit, what they have said. For example, Radcliffe Brown said that social structure is a complex network of social relationships. So all those social relations, what are our existence? Our existence, my existence, your existence, everyone's existence depends on the relationships. Social relationships. With whom? With the political functionaries, with the religious functionaries, with the kinship network, with the primary kin, with the secondary kin, with the tertiary kin maybe, with the friends. We are all with the shopkeeper, with the cinema house owner. Unless there is a cinema hall, how can we entertain ourselves for leisure? Okay, so we are all existing in a social relationship. That gamut of social relationship, complex network of social relationship is social structure, Radcliffe Brown said. But what is said The reality is the structure. And what the researcher is presenting is the structural form. So structural form remains ideal. All right, that doesn't change. The structure may change a little bit. That means Radcliffe-Brown's model is an equilibrium model. That means there may be some aberration and social control will clear that aberration. It will be again like this. Again aberration, again clear. But Levi-Strauss is speaking something else. He is saying structure is not the reality. Structure has nothing to do with reality. So we have started now point 1 of Levi-Strauss. He has refuted, he has not agreed with Radcliffe-Brown. He did not agree with Radcliffe-Brown. He is saying that structure has nothing to do with reality because structure is a model. Okay, and the model is constructed by the researcher. Structure is a model and model is the structure. Remember this. What is structure? Structure is a model. What is a model? Model is a structure. The model is constructed by the researcher. All right. How he constructs the model? He constructs the model from raw materials taken from the reality. What is reality? Reality is full of social relations. Okay. Now compare. For Radcliffe-Brown, reality is structure. For Levi-Strauss, reality is social relations. For Radcliffe-Brown, construction is structural form. For Levi-Strauss, construction is structure or model. That's all. So structure is a model constructed by the researcher taking the raw materials from the reality. The raw materials are nothing but the social relations. It is just like an architecture's model. Suppose the architecture has made this model. This is a 5-story house. Suppose it has got raw material. What are the raw materials? The architecture has made it. The raw materials are measurements, floors. Okay. Similarly, suppose this is society. The model has many social relationships. They are taken as raw materials. That means the book which Levi-Strauss has written, Elementary Structures of Kinship. Suppose this is the book. This book is nothing but a model. The model, obviously, the model has 4 characteristics. Everybody cannot construct a model. The model has 4 characteristics. What is that? Social system, predictability, transformation, intelligibility. Okay. What is a social system? First, the model must have several interconnected, interdependent parts. Change in one part will lead to change in other parts. Social system. Second, predictability. The model will have relationships. By looking at the nature of one pair of relationship, one can predict the nature of other pair of relationship. What is that? Suppose father and son relationship is negative. Why it is negative? Because it involves in patriarchal society. It involves property and authority. So obviously in patriarchal society, when it involves property and authority, it will be a negative relationship. There is a chance of hostility. There is a chance of antagonism. There is a chance of violence. Then the mother's brother and sister's son relationship will be positive. Free and familiarity. No stake. No chance of violence. Alright. Exceptions not included. Alright. Predictability. Third is transformation. Already we have said the model should be constructed in such a manner that it can be transformed. And the fourth is intelligibility. The model should be constructed in such a manner that it should be intelligible to all, understandable to all, presented in a simplistic manner. Alright. So we have dealt with 2 points. 1. Structure is nothing but a model. Model is nothing but a structure constructed by the researcher, taken out of the reality. Reality is full of social relations. Second is model has 4 characteristics. Third is types of model. Conscious model, unconscious model. Mechanical model, statistical model. What is a conscious model? When the researcher constructs his or her society's model, he is conscious about the social relationships. Therefore, it is a conscious model. For example, you yourself will construct a model of your own society, it will be conscious model. What is unconscious model? Opposite of that. When the researcher constructs a model of some other society, he is not conscious about their social relationships, the nature of their social relationships. Therefore, it is an unconscious model. All right. So, conscious and unconscious model, which one will be scientific? Conscious or unconscious? Conscious cannot be, because one may overlook many negative features. One may take for granted things for granted, may overlook, may not write about negative things, may always think in terms of ethnicity, that my society is the best, we are the best. We always say we are the best. Yeah? So such kind of value-loaded concepts may come in a conscious model. But what is an unconscious model? The unconscious model will be scientific. This is what Levi-Strauss says. And it is true. But in an unconscious model, people said they may not know about it. But it's not like this. You have to be an outsider. Obviously, unconscious model is outsider, is making. But going and making rapport and doing fieldwork and becoming an insider, assuming, thinking, trying to become, not trying to, really becoming the member of that society. People must accept you, you must realize everything, you must have emotional response, you must have objective outcome. That's how outsider becomes insider. So unconscious model is the best. Next, mechanical and statistical model. What is a mechanical model? A mechanical model is nothing but when the scale of the model tallies the reality. That is a mechanical model. What is a statistical model? When the scale of the model does not tally with the reality. That is a statistical model. How mechanical model is there? I'll give you an example. Levi-Strauss has given this example. In simple societies, cross-cousin marriage has been a prescribed rule. Okay, that means one must marry, ego must marry his cross-cousin. So, when you construct a model, you will write persons of marriageable age. All of them married their cross-cousin. So, in the model it is written. In the reality also it will be found that persons of marriageable age got married to their cross-cousins. No variation. Obviously, when there is a single rule, all or most should follow the rule. Otherwise, you will be punished. So the scale of the model tallies with the reality. That is a mechanical model found in simple societies. What is a statistical model? A statistical model is nothing but where it doesn't tally. Where? In complex societies, modern societies, there may be 10 rules of marriage. Maybe somebody is not able to get married because there is 11th rule. For example, in India, there are many marriages which are not taking place because of dowry expectations. You understand? Dowry expectations not taking place. There is a saying, the more complex the society, the more developed, the more modern, very difficult to get a mate, marriageable mate, marriageable spouse, choice. This is the whole thing. So the third point is over. First is structure is a model. Second is 4 characteristics of a model. Third is 4 types of models: conscious, unconscious, mechanical, and statistical. Then come to the fourth part. What is the fourth part? The fourth part is structuralism. Levi-Strauss has been influenced by structural linguistics. Structural linguistics founder N. Trubetskoy. He is the founder of structural linguistics.